This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to block numbers on your Motorola Android phone. So I'm just going to go to the phone option right here, and then you can go on over to recents and you can see your call history under here. Now when you bring this up, what you want to do is just go to the phone number and hold down on it, and you can see there's an option to block the number right here. So you will block this 99 number right here, and now it's blocked. Another way that you can do this is if we go up to the top, go to the three little dots, and we can go to call history, but let's go to settings right here, and under settings we can actually go to block numbers, and we can turn on unknown callers, block calls from unidentified callers. You won't receive calls or texts from blocked numbers, so you can add a number to your block list right here too if it's not within your call history. So just type in the phone number manually, and then you can completely block it. And you can remove it in the future just by going here and pressing the X. So let's remove it, unblock it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.